Okay, guys, let's go live now. Oh, a night. Interesting month. Reset month? Beginning month? Maybe. Let's wait for the rest and then let's go. Very, very important month. I think June, July is so
guys,
important.
let's go live now.
It's going to be so different, guys. Doubts. I explain to you why. Haha. Man, things are changing like mad. That's what I am doing now, researching and trying to get this together. I don't know, is now the capitulation? Maybe it is, then we kind of know what's happening in the future, but there are too many things. I think that, so if you want to come and ask more, again, guys can come on Saturday, very important. We're not only going to talk about cryptos and whatever you want to talk about. In fact, I have a very interesting story for you on what I did with my crypto profits. And maybe you guys should learn this story. Very important if you want to be rich and preserve it. You know, some riches like crypto, you have to take it out, put it somewhere else. Put it somewhere else. Just the way it is. It's just the way it is. Let's wait for the rest to come in, guys. Come in. Come in. Oh boy, it's going to be an interesting day. This totally crazy market. I've seen crashes. I haven't seen one like this. Surprise, surprise, surprise. So for whatever it's worth, if it can be something like this now, that means the time comes to rebound, and it will rebound. Again, there's a lot of things that I have to get all this together, okay, because it seems like a good time to reset. This is good. That's the only good thing that I find from here. Ooh, could be a good time to reset and do things again. Maybe that's the way to go. But don't join me in my AMA. It is on Saturday. I even lost that. Let me go here. Let me go here. Yeah, there it is. Saturday, 18th of June. Let me see Discord. Hey guys, how are you? Let me see Discord on what they are. But I haven't seen anything like this, you know. I really haven't. I've been through 2018. It wasn't like this. 2018 was, maybe 2018 was, okay, the outcome was bad or even worse, but the way it was done was better than this. This is like, man, I didn't see that coming. 2018 is like, yeah, we didn't see that coming. 2018 happened very slowly, you know. Yeah, this one just happens fast. It's like, whoa, within 2 days, everything's gone. Like, how did that happen? That is just the way it is. We haven't started yet. So don't worry, not many have seen this. I haven't seen this also. I should have brought out more in the crypto market. I brought out what I wanted to bring out, so that's good. I brought out more. I didn't think it would happen this fast. I really did not, guys. Don't feel bad. Yeah, it will collapse. It has already collapsed. Can it collapse some more? Yes. Will it collapse? I don't know. But even if it rebounds, we all must know it must go back down and retest, right? Whatever it is, whatever happens. That's just the rule. Let's go back down and retest. So you can't stand this. You might not want to be there for the retest, but hey, who knows? But again, I have good news. So you might want to come to the Saturday show. And I have to readjust so many things now. The cow head drop. Correct. Yeah, only Bolivar can save us. Only Bolivar can save us. So you remember the day when I said that 2022 was going to be bearish, right? But I did not think it would be like this. People said that cycle would not happen again because institutions are in and will protect their positions. And now you see institutions like, is it Three Arrows Capital, 3AC even going belly up? So like, well, there's so much for that. So again, let me warn you again. me warn you again that this last cycle, 2026, is the final cycle, okay? I'm just telling you that, the final cycle, the final, call it whatever you want. That's it. There's no more after this. Not to say that there's no more after this. It's gonna be like conventional markets, which is no fun. And it can be fun too, whatever. Why? And sometimes you want to have to know conventional markets nowadays too. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. The only one that can save us is the Bolivar cow, man. The Bolivar cow. Yeah, Luna contagion. And then we had the Steve contagion or Celsius. But now we know it's not Celsius, it's 3 arrows. So this is called systematic risk. If you read it, it's called systemic risk, where something affects the next thing. This affects this, affects this, affects this, and things go down like a house of cards, which is why Bitcoin has a 2-year cycle, which I really agree with that cycle, you know, because we have a fallen angel. It takes time for the fallen angel to get back to its all-time high, reclaim it, and then do whatever it wants. It does take time like that, okay? So we're gonna start soon. Hey, we can start soon. Hello guys, hello guys. So let's see, what are we going on here? So don't feel too bad, man. I did not expect this. I did not expect something this fast. I moved out what I wanted to move by like December, January this year. And man, I should have moved out more. Silly me, silly me. Let's see what's happening now. So tonight is very key. Again, don't miss the show on Saturday. I have if you want to come to my office in Starling, come. You can get my powers there. Okay, let's see what's happening there. Okay, again, this is how we see charts again, guys. Just don't go and see the Bitcoin chart first. It is banned. It is banned. You're gonna get in trouble. This is how we see charts, okay? Let's go and share this. I got to understand this. And for the guys in MetaMoon, we're gonna learn something new very, very soon, because I see a lot of opportunities. Now, I'm not sure of the turnaround. I'll tell you guys this weekend, and I'll tell you guys during our class next weekend, hopefully in Singapore. I will tell you why this is a big, huge opportunity, because I've seen this before. And if you read what's happening now, a lot of people have seen this before. You don't know when. Nobody knows when, but we know it is coming. So I just want to make sure that we are there through the right instruments. Okay, maybe we're not having the right instruments. I'm quite sure of that, but I think this is coming soon. So first thing tonight is the interest rate decision. This is so big. So we saw yesterday, this went up 1% and then it turned down. I mean, this is what it was like last night, right? The first day of the Fed meeting. This is like the second day of the Fed meeting. Yo, Powell, what's up? What's up? The biggest change in 28 years. Yeah, give us 0.75. Whoa, 1.38. This is like they're expecting 0.75 and it's saying, okay, we're done with. And people are like, hey, I'm just going to show you what I am concerned about. You can ask me questions on Saturday. Just go there. The Zoom link is there. I hope it works on Saturday. But I'm going to, you guys, if your phone is in my list, I will send you out the Zoom link. And then, yeah, that's kind of good, right? So let's see here. I don't want to see that. So don't be duped by doomsayers. JP Morgan says the S&P will rebound to 4,009. This is cool. This is 2022. Now, the only reason I would believe this, although everyone's crying, is because everyone's so negative now. And that's just how market works. You know, when you guys are, everyone is so negative, it becomes positive. Everyone's so positive, like this year or late last year, and everyone's saying, hey, this time, don't believe Sensei la, this time institutionals, well, then you saw what happened, right? I mean, I was quite surprised. I read something on XC Infinity. Even XC Infinity has bombed. You guys know XC Infinity, like the great game? Do you guys know how much do people make a day on XC now? How much? You guys guess. This is so funny. I did not expect this. How much do people? Yeah, it's already built in the market. Yeah, make, because it went 8.6 from 8.5 to 8.3 to 8.6. Yeah. So it's like, hey, give us the 0.75. Go on with your business. But how much do people make a day in Axie Infinity, guys? Play to earn, people. Which is not play to earn now, it's play for earn. I don't know. How much do people make a day in Axie Infinity now? Try to guess, guys. This is what happens in bears. I'm just afraid that this is why I say, right, a lot of your favorite tokens might be gone, but it's okay. The new ones are going to come up and there is an opportunity even before that, okay? So how much? Who is going to guess, guys? Let me go to the front now. What's happening now? I was shocked when I read this. I said, no way. No way, but it is. Three vodka. I don't think so. I don't think so, dude. I think it's lesser than that. Give me in terms of cents. I'm sure it's not. It's lesser than 3 VND. Can you believe it? Can you believe? Yo, the AMA is Saturday. Go sign up there. Go sign up there. 68 cents a day. I'm like, 68 cents. You can come on Saturday. Come. We start at 9:30. Come at 9. Don't worry. It's in Starling. Yo. Yeah, come on Saturday. Go, come on Saturday. Did I put my Zoom link there? I hope I did. I'm such a nincompoop sometimes, but sign up. Yeah, just go to the group Discord, say that you're coming. Okay, I'll book the room tomorrow. So 68 cents, that's like crazy, right? This was like the star of the play to earn. And now it's like 60 cents, 68 cents a day. Like if you pay that for 30 days, you can't even afford Chef's Chicken Kiev. Okay, Kiev. Chicken Kiev. No, Kiev. Kiev is Russian. Kiev. You cannot even support Chef's Chicken Kiev. It's in the Starling. Yeah, it's in this. It's in this place called Collabs. Okay, Collabs. It's in Collabs. So you can come to Collabs level 4. Coming at 9, I'll be there. Collabs. So like, man, with Axie now, guys, you cannot even afford Chef's Chicken Kiev. You can try his, I don't know, chicken kung pao, whatever. I have no idea, but look at this. So it's going up. I don't know what caused it to go up, but let's see. This is the biggest. I think people are just waiting. Hey, let's get this all over with. And the stock market is not going to zero. How this individual investor with 7 years of experience today. That this is what I want to tell you about. I'm going to do a big show on this. I just want you to come and ask me questions on Saturday, so that and I will get the questions from you during these coming weeks. The session is going to be in July, okay, so that I can allay your fears. Don't, guys, I've been through this before. So I've learned something. So we first start the story on a story of a bear market. I was in a bull, it was in a bear. I did something. I thought I made a mistake, but I did not. I just wanted to tell you this interesting story on Saturday. Very interesting, very interesting. How much worse a sell-off could get. Look at that. Yeah, it's not going to zero, guys. Bulls and bears are part of it, but you know, I'll even tell you what to do during a bear. There is something to do during a bear. Rise ahead. ECB holds emergency meeting. What did the ECB do? Has the ECB done something to cause that to rise? Like what? I kind of agree with that. Another famous guy or another famous research house at 4007. I don't know whether they can have it this year, but I'm quite sure it's going to go back up there. 3 boring stocks will outperform. What did the ECB do? You guys know what the ECB did now. I want to know what the ECB did. Okay, I think the ECB did something. I'm sure that the ECB did something for it to go back up. What's happening here? Yo, did they reduce interest rates or did they raise interest rates some more? This is so interesting. Okay, so this is why I said, if you want to go through this bear market successfully, you have to know other things than cryptos. You have to know other instruments that are going to come out that also be handle cryptos. And we are giving that to our MetaMoon, and we're not charging because it's an NFT, right? We can't charge for extras. So new tool to add as FRAC. What is this? This caused the market to go up. Are you crazy? Like what? Fell in May. Okay. Oh, no wonder. Is this it? Because the inflation, retail sales fall. Yeah, right. Of course. See, now slowing down of the economy is good, right? Maybe that's one. Let's go to Forex Factory. Sorry, guys. You're going to see a lot of Forex Factory now from me because these are the tools of the market. Web 2.0, Web 2.0. Web 2.0 drives the world, not Web 3. Web 3 is still young. Okay, let's go and see this. What's happening here? Ah, no wonder. Now, this is cool. Hey, guys, it fell. It fell. Hey, look at that. It fell. Yeah. Economy is slowing. You know the deal, right? I mean, the solution to high inflation is high inflation, you know? That's why I like big rates. It's very simple. It's kind of like this. Here I am. And if inflation is higher, guess what? If I still like my Hugo Boss, I want to buy it, right? But if it goes higher, no, I'm not going to buy it. What happens to my Hugo Boss shirt? It's simple, right? When anything happens to my Hugo Boss shirt, I don't buy it. And then the prices come down, right? And then the prices come down. It has to go to the outlet and the prices come down, right? So again, the solution to high prices is high prices. This is why people are saying to Powell, get it over with. Get those big rate hikes in, you know? We're like, hey. But now I think they are celebrating this. Okay, I know why this is going up. Because they are celebrating this. This is a cause for celebration. I'm going to even look at news nowadays. Look, I'm going to look at news. We have news tomorrow. Anything on sales, anything on inflation, it's good. I don't know with a core number or whatever it is tonight. Oops, Australia. You guys have enough for cabbage or lettuce? I hope your cabbage situation is good. Enjoy your lettuce in the meantime. SNB, Swiss Bank tomorrow. I haven't seen this in a long time. Hey, UK is tomorrow. Let's see how screwed up UK is. Doesn't look good there, guys. Doesn't look good there. Paul, this is another one. I just don't know what's going on with USD JPY. Has something to do with the Japanese bonds, you know? You guys know, right? The JGB or whatever it is, man. Those rates are like crazy. Okay, let's go here. What is USD JPY? What is USD JPY, dude? I mean, show me my USD JPY. That is the chart of like the year. It hasn't been there in like, I've never seen it in my lifetime. Gosh, look at that. Hugo Boss becomes like Adidas. Right? And look at that, right? I mean, look at that. This just does not happen, okay? Guys, this does not happen. Look at that, 134. I mean, look at that. This was during the Kuroda's this, right? I remember this period. This was during Kuroda's period, his QE or whatever. But look at that. Just this is like, I don't even know what this is. Look, let's go max. Can you believe that? This is like, hey guys, look at that. I don't even know what this is, man. This is like, look at that, guys. This is like 1998. This is crazy. That's insane. Totally insane, guys. Things in Japan are cheap, right? So just be careful. So a lot of things are happening in the market, not only crypto. I think crypto has its own problems because of course, because of Luna. And then the Celsius. Did Celsius cause the Luna crash? I don't know. And then there is Steth, that ETH, Lido ETH, and now you're problems and all that. People are selling that. And now there's Three Arrows. Did he disappear? So when you see all this happening, I told you guys, right? Don't be surprised if a lot of your favorite ones are not there anymore. There's going to be some new ones. So what? We don't know yet now. That's why we're here to find it. So look at that. What else? I don't like this. Okay, Friday is going to be something that Friday. So after tonight, people are looking what he's going to say on Friday. I'm just looking at anything related to inflation. Okay, I just don't see it now. Again, look at what happened. That last week we had 2 days of 5%. Look at what happened after that. We had, and it went down some more, right? We're like this. We're like this. We're like this. Next week, this is even worse. This is 2008. So that's what I said. I was asking, hey guys, are we like 2008? Then we had to draw the model of we were like this, right? It's like, dude, are we like 2008? I don't know. Or maybe we're like this. This is 2002. Okay. This is okay. This is okay. What else were we at? 3952. Okay, this is 2015. Okay. And then 1 month is this. But look at this. Next week, go down a little. Then it goes like that. Median 1.8. That's not bad, not bad. But this is the 2008 pattern, the much dreaded 2008 pattern. But look at 2002 was good, you know. How come 2002 is good? Look at that. 2002 is good. 2000 is good. Look at this. So just look at this. You really don't know. Black Monday was a carnage. So Black Monday and this was a carnage, right? Remember, Black Monday and 1987 is a total carnage. The rest, I'm not going to worry so much about it. So what? So now let's go look at this. Now the charts. This is ugly. Just totally ugly. 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3. It almost hit 19 something. But this is the chart that I am most concerned about. I mean, this, guys, don't look at this. This is going to become ugly if this becomes ugly. It all depends on this now. It all depends on this now. Look at that ugliness of ugly. This is like totally ugly here. Like it was already establishing a base, right? Something there. And then just look at all these things. Look at all these things. Look at all these gaps here. You have to ask, when is it going to close the gap? It doesn't take Bitcoin has closed one gap. You guys know that Bitcoin has closed the gap at 22. CME gap. Yeah, I know we forgot that, right? But now, when is it going to close the gap? This is the issue now. I don't know. But tonight we can start on this. Let's see weeks. Whoa, look at that. That's over. Look at that. Hey! Look at this, look at this. EMA 200. Oh, that's a long time. You guys know what I'm seeing? I'm seeing can you guys look at that line? Okay, this was during paranoia here. But look, 200, 200, 200, 200. Hey, we're almost there. We're almost there. Why do I have a feeling it has to actually hit this? I should have shown you this. So maybe we're there, maybe we're not there. So kind of like we have to find that there, right? So, but let's see what happens in the next few weeks. That's what I said. Even if it rebounds, it must retest. Or is it better to just go here and get it over with? Let's see it tonight, guys. Let's see it tonight. But just know this ugly thing, and it does depend on the S&P 500. Look at the S&P 500. I promise you will be more sane. Now, having said that, a piece of kind of good news here, you know, the KL market is also impacted, but this is Unitrade, probably the worst IPO in the world. This is like the worst IPO in the world. This is like, you know, the world has IPOs, and this is like the worst IPO in the world. And being the worst IPO in the world, I'm quite shocked at its performance. Because the offer price was 32 cents. It went down to 23, and yesterday it closed at 30, right? Okay, today it closed at that, but it is not bad. IPOs are doing okay in Malaysia. Okay, IPOs are okay in Malaysia. I'm somehow making money in IPOs. I'm like, what? WTF, man? Why am I making money in IPOs? There are two places they're making money. I don't know about Russia, but I know IPOs. Hey guys, what is making money? You guys know what is making money? Who knows? Where's the other place that's making money? I'm like more interested now on finding places where we can make money. You guys know where is the other place that can make money? Starts with F. You guys know that? Take a guess, guys. I mean, the index is F. Where is the place? I was quite surprised, like, hey, and I'm like, if they're like positive, how come we are not positive? This is kind of weird, man. Why are we following the US? We should follow this place. I always thought Malaysia was closer to this place. You guys know what market is making money? Or so I heard. Let me see. What market is making money, guys? What market is making money? I was quite surprised when I saw this. And I'm like, Malaysia, can you guys like please follow them and be a good person, follow them. I'm just gonna go for this. Chicken farms. Yeah, we have chicken farms. Okay. FXI is the ETF of China, you know. All right, let's go see this. Like, hey. I'm like, Malaysian chicken farms. Phuket chicken farms. Hey, Malaysian chicken farms are quite good, guys. Malaysian chicken farms are quite good. So I was looking at this and I'm like, hey, look at that. It's like, it's since May, it's been making money, you know? I'm like, yeah, it is right. I was like, what's going on here? Look, it is a turn, right? It looks like a turn. Seriously, guys, it seriously looks like a turn. Ah, man, I cannot even draw this. Come on, draw me that line. Yeah, see? It's like a turn there. Let me see. Okay, I don't know what's happening to DD, right? DD is going to be relisted or something. I don't know. Let's see Baba. Where's Baba? Does Baba have the same pattern here? Like looking like it's going to turn. China is going up. How come maybe Malaysia's more following China? We should. Our national car company is owned by, is it that Alibaba is up? I'm like, what the hell am I doing here? Dude, they've suffered a lot. So I'm like, hey, I'm an ad blocker. Sure. Yeah. No. Back. Look at that. See that? I know you can't see it, right? Subscribe to our ad-free version. Yeah. Invest in, no, I do not want this, my friend. I want to see Baba. I want to see Didi because, you know, there's even going to be this. There's even going to be this. What do you say? There's even going to be this Baba Forex. There's even going to be there may be another IPO for this one, right? Ant. So it's like, hey, this is interesting. Yeah, I got to take a look at this, man. Like, I don't mind buying Alibaba and just not doing anything. This is gone down like, ooh. See that? So it's like, has it found a bottom here? Has it found a triple bottom? I don't know. Let's try this trick again, and before this ad blocker comes out. it's kind of angry at me. Now I'm not going to find DD here, right? So again, as you see here, not all are bad. It is going to take time, but yeah, come on Saturday. I have a very interesting story to tell you what I did with my crypto profits. I'm glad I did it, you know, and I think this is a model for what you should do with your crypto profits. The next time, the last cycle, 2025, 2026, last one, okay? If you have chicken farms, that's good also, right? That's good also. So again, it's good that, okay, so again, now we must pray for the US economy going down. What else do they have to say here? Then we'll go to our favorite Forex news. So it's good. Now I know why. Retail sales unexpectedly dropped. That's good. So I guess because of inflation and all this, and people are focusing now on their stuff, on their purchases, then it self-correcting, right? Like I said, the solution to high prices is high prices. If prices are so high, there's a point where I don't buy my Hugo Boss, the prices go down, retail sales go down. I think that is what happened. No wonder, no wonder. Now we go to our favorite coin, Telegraph. Hey, what's happening to Do Kwon and Three Arrows Capital, man? What in the world is happening? This guy is respected in Twitter and he's lost. What is in? Say Suzu's cryptic statement, three Arrows Capital liquidations and insolvency. This is not good. A lot of companies can go down. Insider trading, crypto exchange, Coinbase slashes staff. So that is why Kathy Wood is buying it. Not to mention that Kathy Wood's ARK has also gone down. You know what I'm looking at now, right? I see ARK at 186 and it's now 36. And I say, I see Alibaba at 105 and I say, Now, this is from my other account, okay? I have a stock account which I haven't been active for so long. So I kind of like changed the password to that because I haven't been in that account for so long, but now I am looking at that, okay? Hopefully it can do better things of Bitcoin too, but look at that, okay? This is, my fear is now, there's no more money for lettuce, right? Yeah, there's no more money for lettuce. They get whatever they can get now, cabbage, lettuce. But look here, guys, oversold zone for the first time since November 2018. That was the peak of the bear then, right? So is this that capitulation? I don't know. Analysts warn of a drop to 8K as global debt unwinds, 23K. Flash crashes to 950. Well, it was at 1,000 as Uniswap, as whale dumps 93K ETH. Like, wow. Lowest level since May. Look at Ethereum. It's like weird because of this theft thing, you know, just making a mess out of things, man. And it's Bitcoin that is kind of okay, possibly up. Says analysts as Sailor bets on. What is this thing? Let's read that. But I just want to see this. This is not good, guys. When people who are respected do this, leaving cryptic statements, leave the industry, not leave, but they just somewhere. This is not good. When you see funders going belly up, this is not good. How can people come back then? It's going to take time. That's what I said. This is why broken angels take time. Margin call began, started moving assets around this to top up fund on DeFi platforms such as Aave. Okay, we're going to talk more about this on Saturday, right? The stat thing with our good friend Celsius, right? Aggressively paying back Aave debt against his 220K ETH to avoid liquidation. Wow. In borrowing, whoa, see, this is the problem when you borrow against something. You guys, I've always said this, right? When you borrow against thing, all you need is one event that is very, very bad to liquidate everyone. Now, this is not only crypto. Now, I want you to understand that before you guys say, hey, I've been in crypto. No, lah. This also happened in the traditional markets in 2008, but I think they put a lot of safeguards measure now so that it will not happen again or minimize the impact. But this always happens, right? When someone does borrowing, you always get this liquidation. When someone gets borrowing and then you have avoid liquidation and then you pump more money in, it results in this. And this is the big problem. There is a reason. I'll tell you on Saturday. Three Arrows lost 31 million in Bitfinex trading in May, ranking second. Wow. What were you doing trading? So the hedge fund trades, I'm quite surprised. Again, I am quite surprised. Wow. Now because they put in more, okay. They managed to cover that position. So now 16.5. Okay, cool. But look at that. Wow, Solana, Near, Mina, non-fungible tokens from his Twitter bio could be only mention of Bitcoin. You see that? At the end of the day, it's all Bitcoin. Instagram, both he and co-founder Khaled were inactive Twitter for 3 days. Oh my God. Every out of his bio, deleted his Instagram. They dumped 30K SETH reduce all Aave positions. But why in the world were they doing this? Why do you guys have to trade? I mean, I don't understand it. You know, just keep cool. When you're not sure, just keep cool. Just buy little bits, and if you get burned, you can have the firepower to come back at lower prices and recover. If you do things like this, you're dead. You are, oh man, I can't believe it. Wow, one of these three is down, which I doubt will fall, but the other is something to watch. What else? So this is the thing. Will others fall too? Ooh. Systematic risk. Let's see what happens, okay? Let's see what happens, but it's going to take time to clear up all these things. I'm just looking for the bottom and then a retest of that bottom. And then I guess we can get to the opportunities that are going to happen, which we will see more clearly in July. But I can tell you a short one on Saturday. And of course, my story on Saturday of what I did with my crypto profits. A best thing I did, which is what I'm doing it again. You know, I have this thing where I move my crypto profits. I kind of move it in something. Okay, I don't, like I said to you guys, that when I was moving my crypto profits to Malaysia, it doesn't go back out into cyberspace. Okay, it's gone. It's gone going into traditional assets. Okay, so guys, any questions? Again, on Saturday, don't miss it. Who are here? You can come here, just register there, come here. The session will be in Starling Mall in PJ, guys. I hope to see you soon. Okay, do we have any more questions, guys? Do we have any more questions? Come to my office, come and see my office on Saturday. Don't worry, we don't have a position on SETH. We don't have a position on Aave. We don't have that. We only have a position on the bulls on Bolivar Island and Illuvium. That's all we have, guys. We don't have all these other positions, okay? I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. We don't have any other positions than that. We don't have SETH. We don't have Luna. We don't have Mina. We don't have so many of those things, okay? We're not exciting people, but we will bounce back. We will bounce back once we get an idea of where this is. I think it's near the bottom. I think it's good. It's time to really prepare for the assault, because I think the bottom is around here. You won't get exactly the bottom, but it looks like it is bottoming out. There is a bottoming pattern. Okay, guys, so I'm going to see you guys on Saturday, guys. And take care of yourself. Again, what we're going to talk about is what I did, my experience going to a crash. Psychological thing is very important. And remember, yeah, I got to do that. I saw it. I'm going to do it tonight. Dennis, I'm going to do it tonight. You just got to do it, okay? Don't worry. Guys, I've been to crashes before. We come back stronger. I know it's hard for you guys to believe, but trust me, we come back stronger. Okay, guys? See you soon. Thank you, guys. Don't worry while I get my brains in order. Okay, guys, bye. See you. And good luck with the cabbage and lettuce or whatever you have. I hope my chicken still stays the same. Black chicken and whatever, kampung chicken. Bye-bye, guys. See you.